Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Saul Castañeda with MCSC Green Wheels, and we're here with our good friend, Mr. Ed, giving us a hand here, as you guys could tell, with our Coyote we have set up here for our 1993 notchback that we call the Grunt. Now, you guys have not seen that one yet. I know that we have a couple videos up on our YouTube channel that they show you when we install the IRS into it. This engine came special too. We found it from a rolled GT, and from according to the computer, it said about 17,000. Now, it's been sitting for quite some time, man, and
yes,
what we're gonna do, it's been sitting for some years now for us here, as you guys can see in a lot of the videos sitting back here. We got it back crapped up here, and we're gonna start digging into it and see if we can illumify this bad boy, you know, or get this bad boy to its original glory and even bigger.
That in time.
See the miracle spray.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, let's see. Let's throw some more miracle spray in there.
Yeah, get them, for 20 hours, brother.
Yeah.
Trip your life fantastic. Oh, I miss those days.
I mean, they're not too far away sometimes.
That's disconnecting you from Father, the source, brother.
From what?
From Father. The
Father?
Heavenly Father that you don't acknowledge.
Let me see if I can probably get this guy. That was hideous.
And was that rusted to yes.
So,
Goodness, look at that.
you know, if you guys
Yeah, it's
look at this,
yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
so
Oh man.
this is kind of what we're going to be expecting in there. Confusion here and there. Dipstick.
Springs.
These are nice and tight.
That's a definite roll over.
So I guess we could also tear down the front timing cover too. Or we could just maybe do this today. What time is it?
It's kind of this side, because this side right here, this bolt right here is pretty twisted up, but it's broken, so it's okay. So let me get this new. Let's see if we go back here. There it is. Yeah, they were pretty well on there. There it is. Yeah, it's got a little bit of rust in there. So this guy.
In here.
Yeah, oh, it's inside those tubes.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah, we can. Those can be clean.
actually oil calcium.
Yeah, we got a broken lifter here. There's a roller down there too, bro.
Oh shit!
Look, there's another one. I think there's two broken lifters here. Where is it though?
Is it right here?
Yeah, but there's. Oh, it's both back. These two back ones right here are broken, bro.
Okay.
Look,
Yeah.
those two broken lifters there. And let me look around this side, see if I don't see anything myself over here. Gonna have to
Right there.
investigate.
Where's that? Oh, here it is. Is this the magnet thing? Yeah.
I got the other piece right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's this guy right here.
I wonder what would cause it to break.
You know what it looks like? I'll tell you exactly what broke it.
Yeah.
When this thing flipped over, who knows how long this guy, whoever flipped it, had it sitting. And before he sold it, he wanted to spin it. And he put a fucking breaker bar
in there. and he cracked it, and he probably left it alone and said, yeah, it spins.
It spins, yeah. That's what it seems like to me. Because this is not...
It would have done damage in here.
No, this is not going to break this way, and only these two.
Right.
From my understanding, from what I'm seeing here, although this is, what cylinder would this be? This would be 8 over here?
No, this would be 8, I think.
That's 8?
Yeah, this is 8. That's 7.
So that's 7? Okay. Because I know there's like an inherited one that always fails, but not on the Gen-2 though.
Well, hey.
I thought that was always on the... I'm going to recover all the parts.
Yeah.
So this one...
That's...
Okay, this one goes with this one, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
That's
the one
that
back
one.
here.
And
This
is,
one.
Wait, oh fuck.
Yeah.
This is the... that. Okay, that's what it is. Yeah.
Right
So
there.
they're both there. Okay.
Yeah.
I guess it's not very far tough, huh?
Well, they're not stupid proof, and by the evidence here, it looks
Yes.
like somebody went to spin her over, and that's what happened probably.
Yeah, because I was trying to spin it, I couldn't spin it.
Yeah. And the block is good. I don't see. There's nothing wrong with the block, so that's.
Yeah, we got enough juice
Other
in
than
there.
this.
Let's see right here. All right. Is it leaking right? All right.
You don't have anything to drain this shit, so
Yeah, I do.
eventually we're gonna knock this thing over, and it's gonna end up on your floor.
I got it. Is it in there? Did I get in there? Yeah, she's in there. See, so what's gonna happen?
I don't think you have enough thread to push out.
Well, no, it does.
It does?
Or let me see. Does this? Oh wow, it is. I chose the longest one that I could. Oh wow, yeah. With this water pump as well too, right?
Yep.
Because we're not gonna be using that, or we'll just restore it and use it for later.
Sell it, man.
Man, this thing is I only got a couple more turns.
It's all right. We might be able to finagle it with the
Persuade it out. That's it.
persuasion device.
Yeah, that thing's pretty on there. All right. So I use my little. Check this one out, man. There's a harmonic balancer for Chryslers. It's got a little 2 sticks here. I use the socket. I got a socket in there. Worked just as well. But if you guys want to use it, go ahead. That's the part number right on there, 27139. I got this from AutoZone. Maybe I paid like $30. Comes in handy. It's in really good tight situations. It's well made. Not bad. Works really good. So that's what we use here. And let's see. Nah, man, that thing's pretty.
Still tight on there?
Yeah. Let me get another socket in here.
Yeah, longer one.
There it came out. I don't see anything. From here, but I don't know. Let's go ahead and keep going. We're gonna take off this front cover. We're gonna take off the water pump. We're gonna get that oil cooler off and see if we can determine why it won't really spin. She still seems binding up. We found a couple broken pieces, as you guys can see. Once we take this off, I mean, we're gonna work it through. So we're gonna be at it for a little longer, and then once we get to that breaking point, we're gonna give it a day. So let's keep going and see. Like the one for Reckless has this already made.
Yeah.
But I just had to thread it, and I threaded these because you have to use them with the kit that Sean Highland sent. I mean, we can straighten up these things.
Yeah, I still got to take this guy out. That's what I was gonna do originally.
You know, like those bearings liquefied us. You know, from that story of that young man that
Twin turbo.
twin turbo setup. Well, there it is. All right.
So I'm trying to figure out.
Here you go.
What they're. I don't know if.
Oh, this has got to be 13.
That's the bigger one. That's a 10. This is the bigger size.
Here you go.
Here.
But those are that. Yeah, that was not even for it. Is there anything else catching it?
You probably just got to finagle it a little bit.
Yeah. Let me get
Let's see.
There it is.
There we go.
There we go.
So,
So that's the water pump.
That's the water
it
pump.
appears to be in good shape.
I got it.
All right.
Man, it's not that light. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
Man,
Yes,
this,
yes,
that's
yes.
pretty
Yeah,
fucking
yeah.
clean, bro.
This looks good. All this shit looks good.
Could we have no?
We gotta get these.
Well, this is all gonna come apart because we're gonna change all that. I just wanted to.
There it is.
Stuff that.
All right.
So she's broke free now.
She broke free, buddy. That's the best part.
The rust is no problem.
Look at that. Moving nice and smooth. I'm gonna put some more trans fluid in there just to make sure we break it all down. You can see in there, man, all
There's
that,
a lot of rust.
all that rust in there, especially like in this cylinder right in here. You know, so you're like right here. We're getting that drip right there. You can see all
We're
that
good
chocolate.
shape, so.
So she's moving freely right now.
Look at the rust. Look at, you see that the cylinder?
Yeah. Look at it. Look at all that. Look at all that. Look at it down there in that cylinder right in there.
Yep.
So this bad boy sat for a while, so it's a good thing. We're moving it around. We'll put some more grease in there, some more oil. Make sure we get a little bit more. So as it looks, the timing's gonna come off. We're gonna be doing the oil pump setup because we're gonna be removing this guy right here. You guys saw the cover come off. We have some things we're gonna have to go over it. There was a bolt that got broken from the AC part that it's just the outside part, but we're gonna figure to fix that somewhere or another. Just, you know, keep it nice and rigid. The threads are still good in there. Everything seems to be turning, so we're gonna go ahead and keep turning it down. Guys, stay tuned for what's coming. We're gonna go ahead and get this guy all set up again. We're gonna take off all the things that we don't need, get some new some rod bearings and some new pistons and some new timing chain components. Stay tuned, check out the channel. Mr. Ed, thank you very much for helping us out. He's taking the old MT82, so if you guys want to go ahead and attack him, you're more than welcome to. His name is right there. I was just saying, this man right there, he's got that MT82. Who knows, for sale? Who knows, for trade? Call him, contact him.
Yeah, anybody want a good use,
as a matter
low
of
mile?
fact, let me show you these headers real quick. And kind of while we're going through with this, as you guys can see, Mr. Ed, you want to show him that oil pan real quick, see what we found with that, which I got.
Oh, the oil pan is
The
right
oil
there.
pan
Oh,
is
yeah,
still
yeah.
there.
Yeah. They got a big old hole in it.
Yeah, so somewhere along
This thing's flipped
his
over.
road or his jerk travels, we got a nice scrape.
Yep.
Got
Look
a
at
nice gash right in there. You got stabbed.
that. Yep.
But you could beat that out and weld it, and she's good as new.
This is the passenger side header. Now these are stainless works headers. As you guys know, these things are not cheap. And again, this car was obviously it was rolled, and there's a little bit of the damage right there on this header. Something that can be taken care of. Am I correct, there, Mr. Ed?
Yeah, yeah. You install it.
They don't need to know the secrets, bro. They just
Yeah.
get it. Let me get the other one real quick, and I'll show you a little bit more.
And then you don't look at it anymore. Yeah.
So the way it's scraped off and the way it was hit, you can totally tell this guy took a little bit more of a beating, and that's kind of what we see. You know, that's kind of what we got to see here. Look at this right here. This is what I'm saying. So I know we can repair these, but this car did take a hit. Obviously, it was a rolled Mustang, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring this bad boy back to life. We're gonna illuminize it. It is just a regular stock Coyote Gen-2 setup, and we're gonna give it some love. So stay tuned, guys, and just make sure you follow the channel. And we'll see you soon. Have a good night. This is Saul Castañeda with MCSC Green Wheels. By the way, stay tuned for Reckless's debut on the street for his test drive as we finish up the shifting handle, the boot, and everything. Just a quick test drive before we get him back onto paint. So guys, stay fresh, stay cool, keep in touch. Watch the channel. We're going to do a little bit of work here. Have a good night. See you soon.